Selamat datang everybody. Welcome to my tiny kitchen here at Pisang Susu. Today we're gonna make Bumbu Bali Telor, spicy eggs. The things you need for a Bumbu Bali Telor are 1 deciliter of water, 1 tablespoon of ketchup, 1 teaspoon of trassi, 3 centimeters of fresh ginger, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 1 onion, 1 clove of garlic and 1 chili pepper, and of course 4 eggs. This dish needs boiled eggs, but not too hard, so I'm going to boil them for 4 minutes. I make a hole in my egg so it won't crack in the pan. While my eggs are boiling, I'm gonna start my Bumbu Bali. And Bumbu is the base of a recipe, an Indonesian recipe. It's the herb and spices mix. I start by cutting my ginger. I'm gonna add it to my chobe, my mortar. You can also use a blender, but I like it this way. Chili pepper. You can use also sambal trassi for this dish, but then you have to make sambal yourself. It's not difficult at all, and I have a video here to show you how. On my blog I've got about 30 different chili salsa sambals, so please check it out. So now I'm gonna add my pepper, my chili pepper, and I like spicy because it's a Bumbu Bali, and Balinese food can be pretty spicy. The ginger, the chili, the onion. Now I'm gonna add the trassi to it too. The salt is important because it takes out the moist and it helps to grind everything together into a bumbu. So take your time and make sure your ingredients are cut in fine pieces. That makes it easier to grind this into a bumbu. The eggs are still tender inside, so you have to be careful when you take off the skin, because they need to boil a little bit more in the bumbu we're gonna make. And then they're gonna discolor. They're gonna turn into a brownish ketchup soy sauce look. Really nice. You can keep it coarse and then it's nice and crispy, or you can do it like this, and this is more like a salsa. Fry this in the pan. I've added some oil in the pan, about 2 tablespoons. I like to use rice oil, that's really nice. But you can use sunflower oil, of course, anything you like. You can smell when your bumbu is done. In the beginning it smells still fresh and crispy, and now the smell is more together. It's really the base of your sauce now. And you see everything is tender and the onions are golden, so that's good. This is what you need. So now I'm gonna add the water. Here you go. My ketchup. This is soy sauce, sweet soy sauce. I like it sweet because this recipe needs vinegar too. So then you have sweet and sour, the vinegar. I use a good quality vinegar. You can also use lime juice. And now we're gonna heat it up until it boils. We're gonna add the still warm eggs. And now they're gonna simmer in this sauce for a while, about a minute or 5 to 8, and then it's done. So look at this, my eggs look different, so beautiful the color, and the sauce has reduced, and you can even, if you like it, to reduce it even further, but I like this because I need that for my nasi, for my rice. And we can plate it. What you also can do is keep the eggs in the sauce overnight, and then they turn even darker. That's so beautiful. But this, you can eat it, of course, straight away. It's not a difficult recipe. Quite spicy, but also sweet and also sour. I add some spring onions on top because it just looks beautiful. Of course, you eat this Bumbu Bali Telor with some rice or on top of noodles. But I just want to taste now. So I'm gonna take one out. It's still a bit tender. That's what I like. Oh, beautiful. Delicious. I love it. The egg is so tender and creamy even. And then the spicy and sour sauce, the acidity in the sauce is really good. Good food. Easy to make. Selamat makan. Ik brak hem. Aan de eitje.